learners. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we want to consider ratio as a topic. Ratio is a numerical method of comparing like quantities. I want to solve these two examples on it. Divide 300 in the ratio 3:4:8. Then question 2. Ado, Uche and Ima are 12, 14 and 20 years respectively. They share 690 naira in their age ratio. How much does each collect? So let's solve question 1. The first step that you need to take is to add up the ratio. Total ratio will be 3 plus 4 plus 8 because we want to divide 300 in ratio 3:4:8. And by the time you add this together, you are going to have 15. So for ratio 3 now, we are going to have the ratio over the total ratio multiplied by the amount that they want to divide, which is 300. 15 year 1, 15 year 20. 3 times 20 will give us 60. Then for ratio 4, we are going to have 4 over 15 times 300. 15 year 1, 15 year 20, the answer will be 80. Then for ratio 8, we are going to have 8 over 15 times 300. 15 year 1, 15 year 20. 8 times 20 will give us 160. And by the time you add 60 plus 80 plus 160, it's going to give you 300. Let's solve question 2. Ado, Uche and Ima, they are 12, 14 and 20 years respectively. So we are going to have the total ratio. The total ratio will be 12 plus 14 plus 20, which will give us 46. Then for Ado, whose ratio is 12. So we are going to have 12 over 46. And remember that we are to share 690 naira among them. So multiply by 690 naira. So we are going to have 12 year 1, 2 year 6, rather, 2 year 23. 23 year 1, 23 year 30. So 6 times 30 will give us 180 naira. Then for Uche, whose ratio is 14. So we are going to have 14 over 46 times 690. 2 year 7, 2 year 23. 23 year 1, 23 year 30. 30 times 7 will give us 210 naira. Then for Ima, whose ratio is 20. We are going to have 20 over 46 times 690. 2 year 10, 2 year 23. 23 year 1, 23 year 30. 10 times 30 will give us 300 naira. So that's the final answer. So from here, Ado will collect 180, Uche will collect 210, and Ima will collect 300 naira. And by the time you add 180 plus 210 plus 300, you are going to have 690. Thank you.